I'm here at the Food Tech Live event for CES, and we are at the Suvie booth, where we're taking a look at Suvie's new design. It's kind of a take on a sous vide machine, but it's much different. It actually cooks a 3-course meal inside this oven, doing very distinct things. If you open it up and take a look, there's a tray for your protein, there's a tray for your vegetables, and there's a tray for your starch. So if you wanted to cook pasta or rice, you could do that. This tray here is for your sauce. These 4 chambers actually cook the items differently depending on what they are. And you can either buy meal kits for this device, or you can cook your own items. There is a corresponding app, and you can see here that there's a way to control what you're doing. This device will hopefully be available later this year for $8.99, but if you're one of the early Kickstarter backers, you get $200 off if you sign up for pre-order now.